This week here at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on a 2021 Chevy Tahoe, and we thought we'd give you a preview of a few of the repairs from that vehicle. First up, let's show you how to change the cabin air filter. Open the glove box to begin. Disengage the left side dampening arm. Squeeze the sides of the glove box together and lower it. Reach up here for the cover. Pinch the tabs and slide the cover off. You can now remove the air filter. Next, let's find the oil drain plug and oil filter for you. Reach up under the vehicle for the drain plug and filter. This is your drain plug. You'll need a 15mm socket for this plug. Here's your oil filter. Finally, we're going to show you how to remove the rear wiper blade. Press the button and open the glass. Reach up here for the rear wiper blade. Push the tab and slide the blade off the arm. You can change the blade from here. Recently, we also showed you how to take the bumper off on this vehicle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and for more repair videos and more in-depth repair videos, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.